In my last video, I've introduced a Betty Lamb style oil lamp that burns cooking grease as fuel, improvised with tuna can. Design of this lamp is nothing more than a tin snip folded at an angle, then placed in a tuna can, and this burns cooking grease or lard, which is thick and solid at room temperature. For this experiment, I have collected 3 more cans, and this time hand-twisted linen cords around 3 mm in diameter will be used for wicks. It's been about 2 hours after sunset. It's completely dark outside now. And here you have 2 lamps lit on. It's just a little bit brighter than before. So now we have 3 lamps lit on. And here with 3 lamps lit on, I don't really find any trouble reading a newspaper. Just do keep in mind that it's a lot darker in the camera. It's in fact a lot brighter in real life. Here we have 4 lamps lit on. It's definitely a lot brighter. Okay, so we have all 5 lamps lit on. And I can tell you that this is really bright. It's in fact a lot brighter than my expectation. But I can definitely tell you, just to read a common newspaper, 3 oil lamps of this kind is enough for the job. As a matter of fact, as we are so accustomed to the fluorescent light bulbs, it is always brighter the better.